Hey everybody, I am at, I think they're called Bridal Veil Falls. Just down the road from Highlands, North Carolina, just up the road from Franklin, North Carolina. There's a huge waterfall right down here. There's a huge hill you have to crawl down to get to it. And my family's already over here going down. We're gonna go down there, we're gonna get in that cold, ice cold water, have some fun, and show you these waterfalls. And you have to park right on the side of a road, so it's kind of dangerous. But anyway, let's go. Wow, this is something else. I've been down here quite a few times. Pretty good trek down to the bottom, and there's poison ivy everywhere, and I'm highly allergic to it, so it's more of a challenge to not get on poison ivy than it is to not fall and break your neck. Don't you love my shoes? Oh yeah. So we're at the bottom of the falls, very loud. You have to practically shout to one another. And watch my wife. You're going in. Don't you dare let go of that phone. Garrett, my son-in-law, is already down here. He's trying to get out. I'm about to go in. And Ellie, you going in? Oh boy. These things are super tall. Think I can make it? Hey, here we go. I'm jumping. I'm about to jump. Here we go. 3, 2. Made it. You all right? You didn't hurt yourself, did you? Get over here so I can slide down. That is slick right there. You do not want to get on that. Go down here. Oh, I forgot to take my hat off. Oh yeah. I want to bust my, whoa, about did it right there. That was almost me. Let me get down in here. All right, so I'm at the water, right at the edge here. And it is not warm at all. But if he can do it, I can do it. If he can do it, I can do it. And if she can do it, I can do it. Woo, boy. Oh man. See if I can slide down this greasy rock right here. Oh man. Woo. Ooh, that was the worst part. Ooh, goodness. Oh. 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 Ooh, takes your breath. Oh man. Oh, this is bad. Oh, I can't breathe when it gets my belly down in there. There's a lot of water coming down on both sides over here. See if I can get in this. Oh man. Oh man. You can see your feet, it's pretty clear, but it's still cloudy enough that you'll slip on a big rock. Ow. Get over here in this rushing water. There's enough big rocks that it won't take you over. I want to go over there and get in that waterfall. I got to get used to this water first though. Ruthie wants to go down the waterfall. I better go over there and help her.
Not sharp, but they hurt.
They're rocks. Oh man, this water is strong. I'm trying to...
Wasn't necessarily recommended. Wasn't necessarily recommended.
Oh, it's a workout. I'm getting used to it. Come on, Ruthie. It's beginning to go numb, so it's feeling pretty good. Oh. We're gonna go look, see what's behind the falls. If we can get there without going down. Ow! Lost my balance. Wow. Well, I'm all in. Oh, I'm all in up my head. Woo, that's... Come on, Ricky. To come, so Garrett had to go recon. It feels so good now. It was freezing at first. It feels better now. I don't know if you can hear me for watering it. How's it feel? Alright, let's go in the... You gonna go in under? right, me and Ruthie climbed up a little bit. They're way down there. We're way up here, but we're still nowhere near the top. We're not gonna go to the top. We don't want to die. Do you want to die?
No.
Not today, anyway. Creates a lot of wind. Very windy. All that water coming down. Man, that's straight up right there too. Wow. How we getting down from here? She's freezing.
We just slide down over there.
We'll just slide down.